Today I'm going to show you how to fix boot problem boot with Ubuntu. Okay, this one I'm going to show you how to fetch boot on Ubuntu 16.04. This is my problem. It's called I have two operating system, and then my problem on Windows I reset or reinstall Windows. That's why my Ubuntu has lost the menu to choose Ubuntu. Go to Ubuntu operating system. Okay, so now let's start. It's on. I already create a bootable for Ubuntu 16. Okay, I'm gonna plug in my computer and then turn it on. Okay, hold on a minute. Turn the light off. Oh, you see my face. Okay, you do study. For this one you can fetch, but make sure your partition of Ubuntu you don't delete it or format it. Make sure if you already delete it, we cannot fetch it or we cannot recover the boot wall. For this one we choose try Ubuntu. Don't choose install that you install it again. After that you connect your Wi-Fi or cable to your machine. I tell this one, I tell the way how to search also. Sometimes I also forget it, but for the next time if you forget it like me, it's easy way. Go to browser what you want and then go to Google, my favorite, my teachers also.com. Okay, just one hand is too slow. Then say on fetch fetch boot view 1 2. Okay, enter. Then you see here the first one. Oh, I think it's not. Yeah, yeah. It also, but you can go to the original page. This one search for. Oh, my mistake. We should repair boot. Repairs boot. Okay, this one the right one. Hold on a minute. My net is a little bit slow. Okay, here we go. Let's scroll down a little bit. Here we have two options. One option is that you are create boot repair using your flash to boot, but right now I'm gonna use it for another time. That's why I use for the two options below. Okay, the first one, you have to copy this command line, Control C, and I'm gonna show it because I use only one hand. For command line, you Control Alt and T to open command line, and then Shift Control V, press it. See, after that click on enter. Okay, next time you have to type sudo, but I copy. I'm lazy. Copy and paste it on. No, maybe I have to type get up that. Take a little bit. Okay, and the last one we have to last command line. Oh, Control C, Shift Control V. Okay, and you're gonna see something pop up from the desktop. It's called like it is a kind of software boot repair. Okay, let's see it. The scanning system. It is scanning your OS. You see right here at the moment. You see the partition or hard disk. Okay, let's choose the first one that the software recommend. Sorry, because my camera is really cheap. That's why I use on the phone. That's why it's not clear to watch. But you have to follow. You hear? You see here the partition. You scan it. It take several times. Check it out. After you fetch it, when you reboot your machine, you're gonna see. Um, okay, okay. I'm gonna restart my other machine. Okay, go to. Okay, we have to follow this command line again. One more step. Control C. Oh, okay. I'm gonna open a new and follow it along. Sometimes you don't have to do this. Sometimes it's only a check for the first one. It's okay, and then restart the machine. Your machine is work fine. But sometimes it require. I don't know why. Also. Okay, last one for the second step. What the hell is that? Oh shit. Control C. Then Shift Control V. Enter. Okay, let's move on. This one. Forward. Okay, here. Tap GS. Enter. And then wait until the end, and then we go forward. Okay. Forward. After that, we have to one command line here. Control A, Control C, and then pass on my new terminal tab. Okay, last one. Oh, you can read graphics upgrade. Okay, enter. Okay, enter. Yes. It takes several times. This one on my another computer. It's you see a building. Yeah, I'm there. I use only two operating system also because I am a programmer. That's why I need ubuntu so much here. 16.1.04 LTS. LTS means long term support. I don't know. Okay. Wow, it took so long. Come on, man, faster. Okay, come on, come on. It's creating. Okay, done. Okay. Oh, at the moment we should press no. I'm gonna take. I'm gonna cancel. I think it's okay. And after that we gonna restart machine and unplug. Is it work? Here we go. We work. And my Windows 10, and here I'm gonna go to Ubuntu. And this one also the same version on my other machines. Right here, it is the same version. Come on, man. Here we go. Here is my Ubuntu system right here. My terminal and a new style of Ubuntu right here, and a little bit my web store, my drive. Okay, that's all for today, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to click subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, I'm gonna switch. Okay, I'm gonna use it. Thanks for watching.